Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Samsung Crystal 4K Smart TV to 180-degree rotatable swivel type wall mount or full motion wall mount. As you can see, it swivels extremely smoothly and it can operate with one hand once mounted. This wall mount comes with all the nuts, bolts, screws and even washers that needed to set up. This wall mount would be useful if you want to connect HDMI cable or pen drive to TV. If you have any query, please comment. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.